course, with these statistics of supporting more than 2,600 trained Smart Factory competency candidates, more than 70 over machines across the industries are actually connected digitally. We also see more than 25 pilot fund projects that have been initiated. We see that the growth of Industry 4.0 is really moving forward for the state of Selangor.
SHRDC has a wide network to especially the companies in Selangor area. So at a few times I already collaborated with Dr. Chua to give solutions to their customers. We have visited sites, machines, and then discussed together with the end users and bring in the solutions to solve the application issues that the customer can have automation in their factory.
These are all IoT enabled.
Okay, so this is not an MNC company.
For purpose to be divided into two portions of the digital transformation of IoT platform compared to startup. Combined with the efforts of MSF 4.0, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that our intent and our aims will be achieved and fulfilled, and please help us and support us in this journey. We as a state government, we will play our role. I think we will try and encourage and create incentives to encourage more adoption of technologies into our manufacturing industries, this being one of them.
Mr. Chua from Dunia Polymer. I think this award is very inspiring. I believe this is a very good recognition for our efforts along the journey.
Our collaboration actually saved us a lot of time, and they were very helpful and very supportive and guiding us in the gradual step-by-step manner, and make it so easy that we can actually completed this project within a month.
This platform actually will help us to do collaboration and upscaling our people, and people stay very important in IR 4.0. IR 4.0 consists of mainly three components: people, process, and technology. So people still is the first.
So we are SME, right, who have big plans. SHRDC enable us to achieve those big plans ourselves by sharing with us the most current technology, open source.
SHRDC has been exposed to many companies, so there's a various exposures on different products. So therefore, it helps us a lot to understand better on other products. How do we integrate together with the technologies?
So this program actually is very good because there's a lot of exposures between other partners and also the technologies that we have learned. So I think this platform is something very good to be done frequently, so that we can share a lot of knowledges and exposure about what is the newest technologies or innovations that is happening in this market. So we really appreciate the collaborations that we have together with the SHRDC, and looking forward for more interesting programs to come.